It's too late now to turn around and back again.
Thanks so much for joining me in this segment of AvDopt.com tutorials. Today I'll show you just how easy it is to register and set up an account on our website. First, locate our terminal in World and click it. Select registration from the menu. Now you'll be prompted to create a password. Please do not use your Second Life password. Create a unique password that you'll easily remember. After creating your password, you'll be asked to enter it again. Do not panic, this step is to confirm the password you created. Once you've successfully confirmed your password, your account is created and you should receive a success message in your local chat along with a URL. Please click the provided URL in your local chat. Your default browser should open up and take you to an account setup page. Let's select a user group. Your user group identifies the role you play. Our platform supports 5 user groups, and they are toddler, child, teen, adult, and elder. Please take into consideration that you may change your user group in the future. Select your user group by activating its switch. Create a unique username for your account. Your username will serve as your display name, however, it must not contain your Second Life legacy name, profanity, nor special characters. Some great username examples are Lucky Baby, Early Bird, Singing Smile, Gray Sky Blue. Providing an email address is optional, however, if you would like to receive notifications in our newsletters via email, you may submit your email address in the space provided. Select your gender and age. Choose the family roles that represents you best. Although you may choose multiple family roles, it is within your best interest to choose wisely. If you're seeking children, you're a mother or father. If you're seeking parents, you're a daughter or son. Select your species and ethnicity. Please click the next button. Here's your chance to shine. Upload your profile picture directly from your device. You may upload even more photos after you complete your account setup. Do not upload photos containing texts, nudity, nor first life. Doing so will result in delayed registration, account restriction, or termination. For more information, please see our terms and policy. Here's your chance to get creative. Tell us all about you. Besides, only you can tell your story the way it should be told, so make this one count. Select whether you are pride-friendly or not. Pride-friendly means being open and welcoming of the LGBTQ community. If you are, you get to brandish a cute rainbow on your profile page and make the community smile. If you are an adult or elder, you may select your relationship status and occupation. Select your default language. Select the HUDs that you actively use in your Second Life roleplay. Let's have some fun! Add relevant tags of things that you find exciting and indulge in regularly in Second Life.
Sorry, I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be.
Agree to our terms and click the Submit button.
I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me.
You're all done. You should receive a welcome notification on the website and in World. Thanks again for joining me in this segment of AvDopt.com tutorials. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. However, if you need further assistance getting started on AvDopt, please visit our frequently asked questions at www.avdopt.com/FAQ. We urge that you browse our FAQ before submitting a support ticket. We are the A in adoptions.
Do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again.